Hello, Madam Sisima come who Africa Professor one, Mom spokesperson Africa Professor Neka Santino. And any day the can basa platform so but my subscribe share with friends and family na di who dance here. So excuse me and hit the notification bell anytime I upload a new video no you be among the first city one more time we Africa Professor one massa platforms massa about Africa Professor and no Casantino come up person me say my 17-year-old American son, has taught me, some things I don't know about my own history, Asante history. So, me say my 17-year-old American son has taught me some things I didn't really know about my own history, Asante history. Now, I have to be honest. Because, and I can say, me obia sebi onimbi kakra bia kakra no bia sebi onimbi kakra onim se me oma mienu mema mienu panini wo be 21 onya 22 papa and bia this year no benya 22 na kitwa na 17 ti Ghana kitwa na chesenka Ghana koko free SHS or high school na kitwa na more curious intellectually, especially he want to know more about my culture, Asante culture, because he's very, very interested in the culture, especially if it's Nidino, you want Nidino, when you offer Nidino, you know, Niabrofudin, even though I'm American, Niabrofudi or Asante Din, to die, to say, Bia, Yawana, say, Kofi, and I say, Kwame, near the Adeno, Sardino. And the last name teachers when you brought for Nidino, the name no Nidino Asante Dino Kwame no school for they just fascinated about it, they know Dino Yomo be a Kwame Tino and money more connected with main side of pursue even those on my Ghana that which I'm not proud of that he will come to Ghana very, very soon. But anyway, he want to know more about it. He'll be some questions to me, and I don't have time. And that's more time cross up. I don't explain it to him like he want to. And necessarily we live in a social media world. On one so far away. On one research near the idea to 2 books be near the idea. He want to learn 17-year-old want to learn more about my culture, about Ashanti history. And it may be me sorry, me say. Minim nima bebre but ena meka se wiase no obia nim bibia ankosi so nti ono no me I busy me teaching crofo me kire crofo ma de no o me ba de bia me ba de me kire na de me kire na ade especially me history me culture ese me kire no but I want to be honest because all this goes to say especially Ghana for bebre no ne phone bebre yetiti kwan ba abruchire ti abruchire ebi say ne ebi a half man bi American abrofo man bi before man bi any ade awo no ya na normally no yempese be kire man kura kofo bebre ye I mean it's true yempese be kire man kura ye krum kasa no ne ya fefa I'm not saying it's no good ya fefa abrofo akese abrofo di akese egu so ntino eyesa na mun kura bi a disconnected so and I'm not proud of that. We know some children me chrome and the manima bebre say history near because Ashanti has a very rich culture, a rich history, any other idea. And you know find way. And you manima be hard and I make us say the topic me say my 17-year-old American son has taught me some things I don't know about Ashanti history. And it's so fascinating and edifying. I shouldn't be surprised, but because we live in a social media where you battle and you may be what you see no and that's why I'm channel or no other find way curious kakrabia or no other find a way nessa I know or no issue and the money may be the son of a band of 17-year-old also a year and yet to me debate argument about about some things about life, what is the purpose of life, man philosophical topics near that you want to debate me about that near that do you know that Obisa said that do you know that Ashanti your people and I'm saying what you mean by your people too? You say yeah I know you know what I mean Ashanti used to be a big empire, powerful empire. And I said, how you know? I said, yeah, because I guess so. He showed me books. And you know, what one cockrat books be from Amazon. And one of them no was written by American anthropologist, one of the leading American anthropologists, Robert B. Edgerton. And then the title of the book here, The Fall of Asante Empire, the 100-Year War for Africans Gold Coast. It was published by Free Press, New York in 1995. So, Robert B. Edgerton. And then another one, so another book by Ivor Wilks. Ivor Wilks. Ivor Wilks was considered to be a leading authority. Britain, or the leading authority on Asante Empire. Now think about it. It is all Ashanti history near culture near empire no. One more extensively about Ashanti Unikrano. And yet was it when a lot of Ashanti and I say Ghanaian authors, mostly Abrafo. Now he was surprised that whites, a lot of the British near that they have written extensively about Asante Empire. He told me, which is I was kind of a little bit, which is true. And Ivor Wilks, what not or a British, say historian, leading authority, and said no, Oxford University no ba Ghana, Legon Kakra or ba Legon be Tradi or ho be research for a long time. No so go back into one book back was it Forest of Gold, Essays on Akan and the Kingdom of Ashanti, and it was published by Ohio University, 1993. And at the same Ivor Wilks, also and was actually another book, Ashanti in the 19th Century, The Structure and Evolution of the Political Order, and this is published by Cambridge Press in 1989. See, all these are white, authors, and that's a historian. It's yet Ashanti artists, and that's a historian. Obiaka so any panetron, no one so Ashanti, and that's why I can in oil bias. We are profita. And if you wonder why a man for British, no me so fascinated about Ashanti, near Ashanti in Mensiana, is because me say no kingdom, and I said no tribe in Africa, British almost study almost extensively, deeply than Ashantis. That's a fact. Mebano, he knows about it. 17-year-old my Ghana that in my American see Ghana, but no Bisham said, and it's our book, or read it by Bicham by the by Sir Robert B. Edgerton, American author. And the title of the book near The Fall of Asante Empire, the 100-Year War for Africans Gold Coast, published by the Free Press of New York. And some of the excerpts in the book, and what you say, and it's our particular book, The Fall of Asante Empire, 100-Year War for, African Gold Coast by Robert B. Edgerton, anthropologist, one of the American leading anthropologists, and it was him. When Mebano said, no person can say, Nina, say, was it at the head of Asante Empire, Asante Empire, nay, top, no more boot other tribes, any other day was Ashanti, was it? The Gold Coast of Africa, in the present day Ghana, that the population now was just close by 3 million. Me about 17-year-old nature, Sabuko or Sabooks, to me, about 2 million, me YouTube and I see books, it is only out that you can go and then buy one and read it. And at the height of Ashanti Empire at that time, the population is somewhere around 3 million people. And they have its own sophisticated, social and political and military institutions. Now, Ashanti Empire at that time, they have very, very well elaborate, sophisticated social, political, military, institutions. And they have military. They have European, I don't know how they got it, but they have European firearms. And they were so tenacious, as a bold, fierce, and brave and disciplined. They are very, very disciplined. And because of that, and disciplined army, Ashanti, they were very disciplined. Because of that, they were able to inflict heavy casualties on the advancing British troops. So, in some cases, defeating them. It is always a celebration here, of course, it's 1874. And yes, if you just a show, and I say, it happened. The British, they were so taken aback about the way Ashantis, the way they fought, the way how they were so sophisticated and well organized, and disciplined. So because of that, me 70-year-old, American, I cannot see. And because of that, and he loved the fact that black people at that time with all this crude military, guns and they were able to stand up to the British, the whites. And now he was so fascinated about it. And right and on Bibinio, Bruni, the fourth book that titled The Fall of Asante Empire, the 100-Year War for African Gold Coast, and it was published by a free press. Robert B. Edgerton. Okay, so because of that, because of the way our Ashantis, no more fighting British near that, advancing British troops, they won respect and admiration. And my British commanders, they were so taken aback and respect the way and how disciplined and unique willingness to adapt their traditional military tactics to just neutralize superior British technology. And it was amazing. And I was wow, there's a lot of things as information. I thought I know a lot, but that tells you, say, if you say, we say, no one is a storehouse of all knowledge. So this is a high school student only high school. But when I research about Mimi history, Ashanti history, and what me say, this is how his daddy people fought, and he proud about it. And he read it book in the church and enough for about the people until W only the claim so was one American or free Africa or free Ghana. See, and I'm proud of that. And teacher said the fact that me cousin say Ashantis, Asante for sometimes we tend to be I say as a slow say a history, and I say because you see some ignorant and jealous and hateful people be hard. They trying to talk about Ashantis, talk them down, Asante for you, but the history is there. And I make I say we don't need your stinking math or your WAP or limited understanding of history to tell me and I say Asante for you say you no any other. If we are insanity, so I didn't want to meet I didn't care what. Or you tend to demonize it. And it's sanity, it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't miss me about 17-year-old American born. Nima me American. Or no in history. In the books now we're reading, 17-year-old reading The Forest of Gold, Essays on Akan and the Kingdom of Ashanti. It was published by Ohio University in 1993 by Ivor Wilks, one of the leading authorities in Asante Empire, or British. And another one, The Fall of Asante Empire, the 100-Year War for African Gold Coast. It was published by Free Press, and by Robert B. Edgerton. That was an American anthropologist. And the other one, Ashanti in the 19th Century, The Structure and Evolution of Political Order. It was published by, Cambridge University Press in 1989. All these books are made actually. Ghanaian and Asante Empire for the Troy. So, and they talk about Asante Empire, the Empire of Ashanti. Do you think China said we don't have no empire near there? It's there, and then you cannot erase history. You may say today we have a republic form of government. It is true, but it doesn't erase the fact. Say there was an empire, and still we have the remnants. We have the symbol. And I say we have the paragon of Ashanti Empire today, which is led by Otumfuo Asante. And all Asante Bia represent that kingdom, the Ashanti Empire, and I say kingdom that used to exist. That mostly almost all the tribes in the Ghanaian, they beat them up. Abrafon cry about baby, and because of that, me say. Robert B. Edgerton, leading anthropologist, in the book now, he will tell you, and I'm saying, Metro, me didn't know share me say, me video, notes na Metro, books, title, if you die anything, and I say, if you want to get a copy of it, you can go and buy your own, and then read it, and you will know, say, Ashantis, we fought, and Ashanti fought a long war with the British and resist Europeanization of the then Gold Coast. So we don't want Europeans, to come and colonize it. We fought them for a long time. The only tribe in Ghana, the Dengokus, who was able to do that was Asante. Me, I'm a 17-year-old American boy, and the church side. Okay, church. Then you say, it be a mini batch. Say, main country, but he was able to tell me, give me some details based on the book, and he was able to produce the books on one order. I just say, reading. I'm so proud of that. And in command person, do the same. And the Ashantis, and I said those people who sympathizers of Ashanti, and they say you don't have to feel bad about your culture or your history or anything, because Ashantis have a proud and long history, and the British Americans, they recognize that, and that's a fact. It doesn't matter what anybody say or think or whatever, because Ghana for will be Ghana anyway. I want yard person me kuminyanum ne idea umunim no muka so. And so be able to connect krum pasa tete up person to be no. And so we be one nya say bia ko be binti sa na tenti command person no de no. Yeah, whether we like it or not, the two leading cities and the major cities in Ghana is Accra and Kumasi. Accra said there's a government there, but Ashanti regions so Kumasi no mostly individuals. And the command person one more time. We Africa Professor One. Subscribe, share with friends and family, and I'll talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.